Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC-200 Microsoft Security Operation Analyst Lab 8 connect data connectors in Microsoft Sentinel. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal. I will now open up my Microsoft Sentinel on my Azure portal. If you see it on the recent Azure services, it's good. If not, you can type in Sentinel here and it'll give you the same option to open up Microsoft Sentinel. Now this is your workspace which is onboarded to Microsoft Sentinel, and you will use the data connectors to connect different source of data into your Microsoft Sentinel. So you'll use data connectors under Microsoft Sentinel. You click on it. It will take a few seconds to launch and give you the onboarded data connectors, which are 126. You cannot create custom connectors, but you have the Microsoft inbuilt connectors that you can use, and I'll use the Azure Active Directory connector. So just type in Azure Active Directory, click on it. It will give you an option to open up the connector page. Click on it. There are some instructions that you need to follow. To integrate with Azure Active Directory, make sure you have a workspace that we have already onboarded to Microsoft Sentinel. We have diagnostic settings to read and write permissions to Azure AD Directory diagnostic settings. You have the tenant permission, so you should ideally have global admin or security admin on the workspace as tenant in which you are hosting this Microsoft Sentinel. Okay, I'll go with sign-in logs and audit logs. And you click on apply changes. Successfully applied changes. Now you can also connect the Azure Active Directory identity protection connector. To do that, you have to cancel this, go back, type in again Azure Active Directory. You will see the identity protection connector. Click on it, open up the connector page. I don't have the Azure AD Premium P2 license. Alright, so you can enable this, which is recommended, but you will not be able to use it because I don't have the Azure AD Premium P2 license. If you have Azure AD Premium P2 license, you can enable this connector and it will feed that information into my Azure Sentinel workspace. And if you want to connect the Microsoft Defender for Cloud connector, you will look for that. So type in Defender, Microsoft Defender for Cloud, click on it, open up the connector page. The connector is available for all deployments of Microsoft Defender. I have a subscription. This is my pay-as-you-go subscription. I just enable this option. See, you see this option is bi-directional sync. What it would do is, it would also feed the data from Sentinel or from Defender for Cloud to Sentinel, and from Sentinel to Defender for Cloud as well. Okay, in same way you can use Microsoft 365 Defender connector, you can use Azure Activity connector as well. Okay, I am not enabling it as of now. You can click on 365 Defender, open up the connector page and look at the option that it gives you before you apply the changes. Okay, see, it's evaluating if I am meeting up the prerequisites or not. These are the licenses. These are the options that are the type of data that you'll feed to your Microsoft Sentinel. Okay, so So that is how, in a nutshell, we enable data connectors to feed data into my Microsoft Sentinel. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.